Hello everyone, this is Kathy Lien coming to you from the CME NYMEX floor. It's been an extremely volatile day in the FX market, actually in all the financial markets, as stocks tumbled and the US dollar followed. The US dollar was extremely weak, with the US dollar Japanese yen pair falling 1.3%. This was the largest decline that we've seen in dollar yen in more than a year. Now, in terms of dollar yen, this weakness in the US dollar has led to broad-based Japanese yen strength. Part of it is a reflection of risk aversion tied to the slide in U.S. equities, but part of it, or a large part of it, is just sheer distaste for the U.S. dollar, because the greenback has fallen against all of the major currencies. Now, the latest pullback can be partially attributed to the Philly Fed survey, which dropped to its weakest level since November 2016. But in reality, it's kind of followed through from Wednesday's Federal Reserve monetary policy announcement. The U.S. dollar did not fall on Wednesday, which was a surprise, even though yields had dropped quite steeply. But perhaps it took 24 hours for the markets to realize that at the end of the day, the Federal Reserve is telling us that they don't know if they're going to raise interest rates as aggressively in 2019. Everything is data dependent, and so far, at least according to the Philly Fed survey, data has been quite terrible. So if data does not improve in the first quarter, we could very well see no change in interest rates, and that's pretty much what the market is thinking, and this is leading to the decline in the U.S. dollar, as they see so far no real reason for the Federal Reserve to press forward with interest rate hikes in terms of data. So if the sentiment persists, and we think it will, dollar yen could drop all the way down to 110.50, maybe even 110. So the last week of the year may be a difficult one, or continued difficult one for the US dollar. Even though we don't have much in the way of data, sentiment remains quite sour, and I don't see anything really shifting the outlook, particularly since there seems to be a lot of uncertainty in whether or not the president is going to sign the funding bill. So that combines with general deterioration in U.S. data and the overboughtness of the greenback definitely puts the risk to the downside for the dollar in the last week of the year. Thank you so much for listening. This is Kathy Lien.